When it comes to motorcycle riding, speed and style are exciting, but safety always comes first. And in 2026, smart technology is changing the way riders stay protected on the road. From AI-powered helmets to blind spot detection systems, today's motorcycle gadgets are smarter, safer, and more advanced than ever before. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend rider, or someone who loves long-distance touring, the right gadget can help prevent accidents, improve visibility, and make every ride more comfortable and stress-free. In today's video, we're counting down 10 smart bike gadgets that make riding safer. Some of these gadgets are futuristic, some are surprisingly affordable, and a few of them could literally save your life one day. Make sure to watch until the end because the number one gadget on this list is something every rider should seriously consider adding to their motorcycle in 2026. Now let's get started. Number 10. Smart Tire Pressure Monitoring System. One of the most overlooked safety issues on motorcycles is tire pressure. Many accidents happen simply because riders don't realize their tires are underinflated or overheating during long rides. That's where a smart tire pressure monitoring system, also known as TPMS, becomes incredibly useful. These compact devices attach directly to your motorcycle tires and constantly monitor tire pressure and temperature in real time. The information is displayed on a small screen mounted on your handlebars or directly on your smartphone through a mobile app. If your tire pressure suddenly drops or temperatures rise dangerously high, the system immediately sends an alert. This early warning can help riders avoid blowouts, poor handling, and dangerous crashes. Modern TPMS systems in 2026 are more advanced than ever. Some models even include solar charging, waterproof sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, and automatic calibration features. What makes this gadget especially important is how quickly tire problems can become dangerous on a motorcycle. Unlike cars, bikes only have 2 contact points with the road, so maintaining proper tire pressure is critical for stability and control. This gadget is particularly useful for long-distance touring riders and anyone riding in extreme temperatures. Simple, affordable, and potentially life-saving. Number 9. Smart Brake Light Module. Visibility is one of the biggest challenges motorcycle riders face on busy roads. Drivers often fail to notice bikes, especially during sudden braking situations. A smart brake light module helps solve that problem. Unlike traditional brake lights that simply turn on, smart brake modules flash rapidly when you brake hard. This flashing pattern immediately grabs the attention of drivers behind you and gives them extra warning time to react. Some advanced systems even use accelerometers and motion sensors to detect emergency braking automatically. Others can measure how quickly your bike is slowing down and adjust the flashing intensity based on the situation. The best part is that many smart brake modules are extremely easy to install. Most plug directly into your existing tail light system without requiring complicated wiring. In heavy traffic or low visibility conditions, this small gadget can make a huge difference. Studies have shown that flashing brake lights significantly reduce rear-end collisions because human eyes naturally notice moving or flashing lights faster than steady illumination. In 2026, many riders are also pairing smart brake modules with LED turn signal systems and integrated hazard lights for even greater visibility. This gadget may not look flashy, but it's one of the smartest upgrades you can add to your motorcycle. Number 8. Blind Spot Detection System. Cars have had blind spot monitoring for years, but now motorcycles are finally getting the same technology. Blind spot detection systems use small radar sensors mounted near the rear of your motorcycle to monitor nearby vehicles. If a car enters your blind spot, the system alerts you using LED indicators, vibrations, or helmet audio notifications. Changing lanes on a motorcycle can be risky, especially on highways with fast-moving traffic. Even experienced riders can miss vehicles hidden in blind spots. That's why this technology is becoming increasingly popular in 2026. Some advanced systems can even warn riders about rapidly approaching vehicles from behind. Others integrate directly with smart helmets and display warnings inside the visor using heads-up display technology. The sensors are surprisingly compact and weather-resistant, making them ideal for all riding conditions. What's impressive is how quickly these systems process information. Modern radar technology can detect vehicles in milliseconds and provide instant feedback to the rider. For commuters who ride daily in city traffic, this gadget adds a huge layer of confidence and awareness. While blind spot systems shouldn't replace proper mirror checks and safe riding habits, they act as an additional safety net that could prevent serious accidents. And honestly, once you ride with one, it's hard to imagine going back. Number 7. Smart helmet with heads-up display. Motorcycle helmets have evolved dramatically over the past few years. Today's smart helmets are packed with advanced safety technology that goes far beyond basic protection. One of the coolest features is the built-in heads-up display, or HUD. Instead of constantly looking down at your phone or dashboard, smart helmets project important information directly onto the visor. Riders can see navigation directions, speed, collar information, battery status, and safety alerts without taking their eyes off the road. Some premium smart helmets in 2026 even include rear-view camera feeds displayed inside the visor, giving riders a wider field of vision and eliminating certain blind spots. Voice control is another major advantage. Riders can answer calls, change music, or activate navigation hands-free using voice commands. Many smart helmets also include crash detection systems. If the helmet senses a serious impact, it can automatically send emergency alerts with your GPS location to emergency contacts. This feature alone could be life-saving for solo riders traveling in remote areas. Other advanced features include built-in action cameras, noise cancellation, AI voice assistants, Bluetooth communication systems, anti-fog smart visors, adaptive brightness adjustment. While smart helmets are more expensive than traditional helmets, they combine convenience, technology, and safety into one powerful package. For tech-loving riders, this is one of the most exciting motorcycle gadgets available today. Number 6. Motorcycle Dashcam System. If you've ever watched motorcycle crash compilations online, you already know how important video evidence can be after an accident. A motorcycle dashcam system records everything happening around your bike while you ride. Most systems use front and rear cameras to capture high-quality footage day and night. Some advanced models now offer 4K recording, image stabilization, GPS tracking, and even cloud storage connectivity. But dash cams are no longer just for recording scenic rides or sharing content online. They've become essential safety tools. In the event of an accident, recorded footage can help prove who was at fault. This can be extremely valuable for insurance claims and legal protection. Modern dash cams also include intelligent features like collision detection and parking surveillance. If someone hits or tampers with your parked motorcycle, the camera automatically activates and records the incident. Some systems even provide lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts using AI-powered software. The cameras themselves are usually compact, waterproof, and designed specifically to handle vibration and harsh weather conditions. For riders who travel frequently or ride in crowded urban areas, dash cams provide peace of mind every time you hit the road. And honestly, in today's world, having video evidence is becoming more important than ever. Number 5. Smart Airbag Riding Jacket. This gadget feels like something straight out of the future. Smart airbag riding jackets use sensors and AI technology to detect crashes in real time. If the system senses a collision or sudden loss of control, the jacket instantly inflates protective airbags around critical areas of the body. We're talking about protection for the chest, back, neck, shoulders, spine, and the inflation happens incredibly fast, usually within milliseconds. Traditional riding jackets already offer abrasion resistance and armor padding, but airbag jackets add another level of impact protection that can dramatically reduce serious injuries. Some smart jackets use wireless sensors connected directly to the motorcycle, while others rely entirely on built-in motion detection algorithms. The newest models in 2026 are lighter, slimmer, and more comfortable than earlier generations. Many riders say you barely notice the airbag system while wearing the jacket. Some premium models even include app connectivity, ride tracking, and automatic emergency alerts. Professional MotoGP riders have used airbag suits for years, and now the technology is becoming more accessible for everyday riders. Yes, these jackets can be expensive, but when it comes to protecting your spine and internal organs, it's hard to put a price on safety. This is easily one of the smartest wearable safety gadgets available today. Number 4. Smartphone mount with wireless charging. At first glance, this may seem like a basic accessory, but modern smartphone mounts are far more advanced than simple holders. A high-quality smart mount securely locks your phone in place while also providing wireless charging, vibration dampening, weather protection, and smart connectivity features. Why does this matter for safety? Because riders often rely on smartphones for navigation, communication, and emergency services. A dead battery or phone falling off the bike during a ride can quickly become dangerous. The best mounts in 2026 use anti-vibration systems that protect your phone camera from engine vibrations, a problem many riders experienced with older mounts. Some smart mounts also include quick lock systems, automatic clamping, waterproof charging, GPS integration, emergency SOS buttons. Combined with voice navigation through Bluetooth helmets, riders can safely follow directions without constantly looking down at their phones. And because wireless charging keeps devices powered during long rides, riders don't need messy cables hanging around the handlebars. Simple gadgets like this improve convenience, reduce distractions, and help riders stay focused on the road ahead. Number 3. AI-powered rider assist system. Motorcycles are becoming smarter every year, and AI rider assist systems are leading that transformation. These advanced systems use cameras, radar sensors, GPS data, and artificial intelligence to help riders avoid dangerous situations. Think of it like advanced driver assistance systems found in modern cars, but adapted specifically for motorcycles. Features may include forward collision warnings, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking alerts, curve speed warnings, road hazard detection, traction control assistance. Some systems can even analyze rider behavior and provide coaching feedback to improve riding habits over time. For example, the AI might warn you if you're approaching a corner too quickly or following another vehicle too closely. In wet or slippery conditions, the system can also help optimize braking and throttle response for better stability. Manufacturers like BMW, Ducati, and Honda are investing heavily in smart rider assistance technology because motorcycle safety remains a major industry concern. While these systems don't replace riding skills, they provide extra awareness that can help prevent accidents before they happen. And as AI technology continues to improve, motorcycles in the future may become dramatically safer than ever before. Number 2. Smart GPS tracker and anti-theft system. Motorcycle theft is a serious problem worldwide. That's why smart GPS tracking systems have become essential for riders in 2026. These compact devices hide discreetly inside the motorcycle and allow owners to track their bike's location in real time using a smartphone app. If someone moves or tampers with the motorcycle, the system immediately sends an alert. Some advanced anti-theft systems also include engine immobilizers, motion sensors, geofencing alerts, remote shutdown, loud security alarms, live tracking updates. In case your motorcycle is stolen, GPS tracking dramatically increases the chances of recovery. But safety isn't just about theft protection. Some systems even include crash detection and automatic SOS features. And thanks to improved battery efficiency, modern GPS trackers can operate for weeks or even months without charging. For riders with expensive motorcycles or custom builds, this gadget offers valuable peace of mind both on and off the road. Number 1. Smart Collision Warning System. Taking the top spot on today's list is the Smart Collision Warning System. This is one of the most advanced motorcycle safety gadgets available in 2026. Using radar, cameras, and AI processing, these systems constantly scan the road ahead and detect potential collision risks before the rider even notices them. If the system senses danger, it immediately alerts the rider through visual warnings, handlebar vibrations, helmet audio alerts, HUD notifications. Some advanced versions can even work alongside adaptive braking systems to reduce crash severity. The biggest advantage of collision warning technology is reaction time. Motorcycle accidents often happen because riders have only seconds, or even milliseconds, to respond to sudden obstacles, distracted drivers, or unexpected traffic conditions. By warning riders earlier, these systems can provide crucial extra moments to brake, swerve, or avoid danger completely. Modern systems are especially effective during highway riding, night riding, heavy traffic, bad weather conditions. Some premium motorcycles now come with integrated collision warning systems directly from the factory, but aftermarket options are also becoming increasingly popular. This technology represents the future of motorcycle safety. And while no gadget can completely eliminate risk, smart collision warning systems are helping riders stay safer than ever before. So those were 10 smart bike gadgets that make riding safer in 2026. From AI-powered helmets and smart airbag jackets to collision warning systems and blind spot detection, motorcycle technology is evolving incredibly fast, and many of these gadgets could genuinely save lives. If you ride regularly, investing in safety technology is one of the smartest decisions you can make. Because at the end of the day, the goal isn't just to ride fast or look cool. It's to make it home safely after every ride. Now we want to hear from you. Which gadget from today's list was your favorite? And are there any smart motorcycle gadgets you think should have been included? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming tech and gear videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.